Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I am going to be trying a new wig. This is the 5x5 lace closure wig from Myfirstwig, and they're pretty much known for their quality beginner lace wigs. So this is what your wig is going to be looking like. It does have some ombre highlights in there. Also on the inside, it does come with that extra piece of elastic band. That way you can adjust your wig onto your head. The wig already comes pre-styled for you, so you really don't have to do much except for installing it. Right now I'm just trying on the wig, making sure that it fits right onto my head and placing it where I would want it to lay down onto my forehead. So I don't want it too far back, but I also don't want it too much onto my forehead. Now I'm just sectioning off some hair in the front there, and I'm just gonna tweeze it. I do want this wig to look as natural as possible when I do install it. So I'm just tweezing some of the hair out. I do want it to mimic a natural hairline. Also, there will not be any baby hairs added to this unit. I'm just plucking some hair out just to make this look really natural. And I also want it to lay down like a frontal, so I'm plucking as much hair as I can. That way, once it's laid down, everything just comes together. To hold down my unit, I am using the Got2b spray, and I do know I said I hated this product. I still do, but I find like once I spray it on my skin like that first before applying the wig, it doesn't give me that flakiness, and it actually holds better rather than spraying it directly onto the hair and letting it seep through the lace. It just, yeah, that method does not work for me, but just spraying it directly onto my skin is totally fine. Now that the spray is dried and the wig is onto my head, I can proceed into styling. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just flattening down the front there. And then I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm just making that part in space a little wider. And not wider, a little deeper. And also trying to get it as straight as I can. I'm so not the best at like making straight parts. Like that's something I literally struggle with. So I got it as straight as I can. And then I took my hot comb and just flattened down everything. Like I said, you guys, if you're somebody that wears wigs, you definitely need to invest in a hot comb. It's so worth it and you definitely need it. Like, just please invest in a hot comb. Yeah, I'm just taking my hot comb and flattening down everything, making sure it's seamless and really straight. Now I'm just taking some pressed powder and dabbing it on the front of the lace just to make it look like skin. And these little fine hairs that I left out in the front there, I'm just going to take my hands and we're just going to pull them directly out of the lace. So you want to pull it, wrap it around your fingers, and just pull. So also you might want to hold your lace, that way you do not rip the lace while doing this. Now we're just plucking out some more hair. I actually did a lot of plucking on this unit. Yeah, I kept having to go back in and pluck some more. I just wanted it to look really natural, so I did a lot of plucking to achieve the look that I was going for. And now I'm just adding some concealer into that part in space just to make it a bit more visible. And then you want to go over it with your pressed powder to blend it in. And now I'm basically just adding some fake layers. You guys, I really do not know how to cut layers, so I was just cutting for cutting's sake. Like I do not know what the hell I was doing. I was literally just cutting the pieces in the front. I swear I was doing something, but I really wasn't. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. I did not end up styling back the hair. I was being lazy. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave the curls as it is. Those were the curls that came on the unit, so I pretty much left it as it came. Yeah, but overall the hair is really gorgeous, you guys. The hair was really full and nice. I did not get any shedding or any tangling from this unit. It's been amazing. The color is even more beautiful in the sunlight. The hair is bomb, you guys. I highly recommend them. And yeah, now I'm just gonna talk a little bit more about the hair. I have all my hair information on this paper right here. So again, the order number is LCW003. The wig on their website is called KASH. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig with ombre highlights in it. If you guys do look really closely, you can see the little highlights throughout the hair. It's really nice, really cute. You know, it's not too dark. It's literally perfect for like the fall time. I'm definitely loving the color on this hair. So let's carry on. The hair length that I got is a 20-inch. The hair texture is a silky texture. The cap size that I got is a size 2. Cap construction is a 5x5 Swiss lace closure. The lace color that I got is a medium brown, so it pretty much blends in right in with my skin tone, and it blends perfectly. The only reason that I had to add some some of the foundation powder around it, just because of the spray that I use. So sometimes when you do use that spray on your skin, it comes off a little white, so you might have like a little white cast in front of like where the lace is. That's why I did take my face powder and just patted it just to take away that white cast that you guys were seeing. So itself is really soft and silky, you guys. It's really nice. Definitely has no stench to it. You guys know sometimes they bleach their hair and then it has that chemical smell. This hair does not have any of that. It does not have any smell whatsoever to it. I'm not too sure what density this hair comes in, but the hair overall is really thick and nice, you guys. So it's really full, which I'm loving that. Lately I've been loving some thick hair, girl. I do not want to look like I'm missing a bundle or two. No. So the hair is really full and nice. I really like that. Itself was really easy to lay down. I did take my hot comb and go back over the front there. If you want it to look really natural, you will need a hot comb. The one that I use, I got it from somebody here in Toronto. I will have it listed down below where you guys can purchase it if you guys are interested in that cute pink one. But yeah, definitely get a hot comb. So as you guys can see, it just made the world of difference when it came to laying this wig down. So this is the hair. I'm really loving it. It's really soft and nice. It's definitely giving me like bombshell vibes. This hair is so beautiful. It's definitely giving me like bombshell vibes. I love how thick it is, how nice and bouncy it is as well. I feel so elegant right now. So the hair already comes pre-curled for you, but if you do want, you know, a more sleeker look, you can definitely go back in and give it some more curls. But myself, on the other hand, I was like, I don't have time for that right now. I just want to put on the hair, and it actually looks really bomb. It looks like I curled it up. So these are the curls that came on the unit. This is what you're going to be getting straight out the box, you guys. The hair is so soft. I love the fact that I could run my fingers through it. I'm not getting any shedding, no tangling. Like, definitely recommend it. You guys should definitely check them out. If you are interested in this wig, I will have all the details listed down below in the description box for you guys. That way you guys can purchase her. And yeah, also I was really going for like that no baby hair look. I did not want to add any baby hairs to this look, so that's one of the reasons why I did not add any, because I'm getting over the whole baby hair shit. Like, it's just too much. Sometimes you just gotta grow up. So I just feel like this unit did not need any baby hairs. So as usual, if you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below, let me know, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.